Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the grid drawing technique in portrait drawing. So in this video I'm going to use an app called Grid Drawing for the Artist. So this is the app right here. There is the icon for the app. So in case you don't have the app, you can go to Google and search Grid Drawing for the Artist. So this is the app. You can click on the link and you can download it from here. The link is pasted in the description. So once you have the app installed, you can now open it. So this is how the app looks like. So this is the previous photo I drew, and to load your reference photo, you simply have to click on this icon, this folder icon. Then you can access your gallery. So when you click on it, there is a pop-up menu. So you have the orientation, vertical, and the horizontal. So this is a portrait, so I'm going for vertical. And they have presets, sizes. So you have A5, A4, A3. So you can choose the size that you are going to work on. But in this case, I'm going to work on 16 by 20 inches. So since I don't have that one here, there's another option, custom, which you can type in any dimension that you want. So 16 by 20 inches in millimeters is around 406 millimeters by 508. So this is the dimension that I'm going to use. So I'll click open and I will choose media picker. So this one, it will take you directly to your media. Then you just have to select your reference photo. So in this case, this is going to be my reference photo. So this is the dimension. So I'm going to reframe it to my desired size. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of headroom. Then I think this is fine. So I'll just click crop here. Then boom, you have your picture in the app. Okay, so once you have the picture here, you now have to set your cell number. So the cell number is the boxes, how big or small you want it. So in this case, each box is 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters. So as you can see, size one cell, you have 20 mm. So on the horizontal line, you have 1, 2, 3 up to 20, and the vertical line 1, 2, 3 up to 25. Okay, so now I want to show you some features that I like in this app. So once your cell number is set, you have effects. So with the effects, you can choose to go black and white, but this image is already black and white, so you wouldn't see the effect. And there are also other effects, but I think the black and white and the normal is fine. So that is one feature also. And then there is also grid color. You can change the color of the grid. If you don't like the color, the default color, you can change it. So for example, let me go blue. Now you see that the color is changed, right? So you can select any color that you want. And also the stroke, you can change the stroke of the lines. So this one is set to 0.8. So if the stroke is too small for you, you can increase it. So let's go about 2. Okay, so now you see that the strokes are even thicker. So you can select any number. So you can select any number that you want. So let me change. I like 0.8. 0.8 is fine. So 0.8. Then I'll change the color back to, I think red. Red is fine for me. Then you can even save the photo, right? You can save the photo. So the photo is saved. So now you have it in your gallery. So you don't just have to be coming back to the app. You can either use the app or have the grades saved in your gallery. And yeah, so there is also other features on top. You can turn on the grids or turn it off. Yeah, so there is a feature to do it. And also you have the label. So the label is actually the numbers on the sides. We have the horizontal line and the vertical line, the numbers on them. Yeah, and you can even lock your grid so that you won't be able to zoom in. So once it's locked here, you can't zoom in. So I'll click on lock, then I'll be able to zoom in. Yes, and you also have diagonal. If you want to do diagonal, add diagonal to your squares, you can do that, but I prefer the squares only. I also have radial, right? But I don't think I need a radial grid. The square grid is fine. So yes, that is all. So now let's get straight into the drawing board, and I'll transfer the same grids I have here onto the drawing board. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now that the grids are done, you just